Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want you to come along with me as I decorate my mom and dad's lake house master bedroom balcony for summer. A couple of years ago, my parents built a beautiful lake house. I took you along on some of that journey here on my channel, so I will link to those videos down in the description box below. This summer, I thought it'd be fun to pop over there and decorate their balcony for the summer. It's a smaller balcony, so I thought it would also be fun to show you some ideas on how to decorate a smaller space for summer. You don't have to have a giant patio or a giant porch to make your outdoor space feel beautiful and cozy for the season. The thing that inspired me for this design was a navy and white and fringed umbrella I saw on Pinterest. I was just searching for coastal balcony decor, and that really kind of inspired this whole design. So here's how my parents' balcony looked before. This set I gave to them. It's from the brick last year. If it's available still, I will link it down in that description box below, or I will link a similar set. I love that it's like a French country rattan set with that navy blue color. So first things first, I just took a small rug that my parents already had in their home and laid it down. It's kind of like a sisal color with some blues in it, and just turned the chairs a little bit more so they were cozy and facing a little bit inside the porch. Next, I took some string lights. These are from Amazon. They are outdoor string lights. And honestly, guys, I think that every outdoor space could use at least one strand of string lights, if not more, and some multiple sizes and shapes of string lights. I think one of the most beautiful things is to have softly glowing lights in your outdoor space, however you can. Here I'm draping them off of the side of this balcony. You could drape them between poles. You could do all sorts of things with them. So here's how I DIY'd an umbrella similar to the inspiration umbrella that I saw on Pinterest. I bought this umbrella off Amazon. It's just like the Amazon Basics line, so not very expensive. In navy and white, it's a beach umbrella, so I'm going to use it for the beach after, and probably it's going to pop up in some more videos later. And then I just bought this fringe off Amazon as well. And all I'm doing is just putting a bead of glue gun glue on the edge of the umbrella like this, and then just tacking down the fringe. So I'm just doing it in about 1 foot long sections at a time to make sure that everything is tacking down to that umbrella really well, so it's not going to go anywhere. The annoying thing about this DIY is, like most DIYs, I'm doing this last minute before I had to shoot this balcony, so I ran out of fringe. There's a couple sections at the back of the umbrella with no fringe, but since I did this video, I did add the fringe, so if you see that in this video, try to ignore it and know that I did fix it later. So the smart thing would have been just to buy a base for this umbrella. You could just buy a patio base, but I wanted to use what we have and try to be, I don't know, crafty, I suppose. So I just had an electrical reel and this cement block, and I just kind of MacGyvered them together to make a DIY base for this umbrella. Not the prettiest thing. Maybe in the future we could paint it or something, but eventually it did work to hold this umbrella up. Another thing that I think every outdoor space needs is lots and lots of greenery. You can mix faux and real greenery together if you don't love to maintain lots of real greenery, but of course real greenery is the best if you can do it. I put this tray on this table here on the patio set my parents have, added a live fern and then some faux roses. And this tray I just had on hand. I believe it's from Target a few years ago when Target was up here in Canada. These glasses are thrifted from Value Village. I thought they were super cute. I loved kind of, again, this beachy sort of sisal look. These books are also vintage, also found from Value Village as well. Then I took that large plant out because I didn't like how large it was, and I put a plant from Michael's on here instead. Now these beautiful cushions my mom made herself. They're actually made of napkins from April Cornell's line. So she took the napkins and then she just made them into pillow covers, and I love how they go with this striped pillow cover my mom made as well. So of course pillows, you can add those to your outdoor space and then just take them inside once you're done using them, especially in a situation like this where I don't have a cover or a roof on this balcony. You can just take in and out the textiles as you need. So I'm just rearranging this corner here with all the greenery. I kind of wanted like a spilling look of greenery going down. I added a lantern from Ikea and a blue jug my mom had on hand, just to kind of incorporate more of this blue, or navy rather, and white theme we have going here. My mom also had this throw, and I just put this on the side of one of the chairs, and I love how throws and pillows can automatically make an outdoor space look cozy and ready to enjoy. So here's how the finished balcony looks, and I think it looks so cozy and cute. I love how we took this small space, but we added these elements to make it look stylish. The umbrella, I think, is probably my favorite part. Of course, this one you would also take in after you use it, but it just simply pops right out of the base, no problem. And you can use it for the beach, you can use it for other things as well, not just the balcony. And the view, I think, is the other best part of this balcony because you can see the lake right there. And I wish you guys could just sit here with me and listen to the loons and listen to all the wildlife out here. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love how this balcony is surrounded by trees, and I really hope my mom and dad will enjoy so many moments out here together enjoying the summertime. I think all the plants here makes this balcony. I think you could probably even add more plants to the balcony, which I'm sure my mom will eventually. You can see my missing fringe on the umbrella. Again, I fixed that, so if you see this umbrella in future videos, the fringe will be there. So here's another look at the before of this balcony with just the patio set and nothing else. And here is how it looks after the simple styling. I hope you guys enjoyed this decorate with me. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of my parents' balcony and what part was your favorite. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas on a budget. If you're interested in watching some more videos to help you decorate your home on a budget and learn how to make so many different things, I will leave some up in the corner for you.